Go ahead.
I'm going. I'm just
Taking
taking a minute. No, I'm just taking a minute because we got our ass kicked
on this
on
car.
this car. We got our ass kicked.
But we got to figure it out.
Hey, teamwork make the dream work. And
Yes,
when I say
indeed.
teamwork, it took just that. It wasn't just one person on this to make this work. I got a homeboy named Antoine. He got a 2013 Mercedes something. Now, you've asked me if we can do it. A lot of people ask, can you do Mercedes? Can you do Mercedes? Just give it a minute.
There she goes. I guess that answers that.
There you go. Very nice car. Now this is a Mercedes S63 2009 AMG. I do not know what AMG stands for. I know it's expensive as hell. This car is not anything cheap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stand back and I'm gonna pose. We got it. AMG, Mercedes-Benz. We can do it. Now, the price, I got it on there for $1,000. I'm gonna go up to 12, and we can work on going down a couple dollars, depending on how we feel. So, Mercedes-Benz. Off, and ears go back in, and that's right. We off and get up out of here. Hakeem over here biting his mom on the ankle. Mo, he won't.
Show the video.
So there it is. Even he got a piece of the car. So yeah, go around the car real quick.
Yeah, just so y'all can see that.
Yeah, let him.